Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a green screen overlay on top of your videos on CapCut PC. So select the video that you want. I'm just going to select the sky video, and I'm going to add in this green screen video of the earth spinning on top of that. I'm just going to add it on top like so, and I'm also going to adjust it because the video background is a little bit too long. I'm just going to zoom in the track a little bit here. Select the earth video, the green screen video. Go to cutout, select Chroma key, and select color picker and select the green bit and adjust the strength. As you can see, there's some bits missing, so just adjust it again. You can also add in a little bit of shadow to make the video rounder, so like the like the bit rounder, but just to fill in the gaps basically is what shadow will do. The setting will be different for mine depending on your video, because my video has some green bits inside of it, so if I put it to 100, it's going to really delete everything in the inside the video as well. But that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!